Well, hey, that's a sad end. This is the cat that I've been looking after for a long time. Since it was a baby, I've been feeding it every day. This is the second dead cat now. I think it's the children or something like that. I don't know how a cat can get caught by dogs and stuff like that. I don't think. And then also it's been dumped here as well. This is the children. I found a cat just round the corner here, outside somebody's house, and they have a refuse bin there, and it had been dumped over the bin. So it looked like it was trying to look in the bin. It was just dead. They just left it there, and they've left this cat here as well. Children have. They've killed it. I think so. I don't think cats are just too fast for dogs. They're, there's no blood on it. Oh, shame that. It's a lovely cat as well. Been feeding it for ages. I sort of hope it isn't the cat. It isn't that cat, but it looks like it to me. I have to go back through the videos. Oh, what a shame. Just don't know. Yeah, he just wouldn't just die here. And these things just don't get cornered, man. I'm telling you, there's so many things here to jump on, jump up. And it's hard that it's been dead some time. Hope it's not our cat. I really do hope. How does a cat just die like that? It has got something here. It's got some kind of mark there from blood. It stinks. I'll be going to get a bag. Oh, shame. Okay then. Here we go. I couldn't just throw it in the bin or take it to the landfill or take her or him. I don't know what it is. I'm not checking. Or should I? It gave me a lot of pleasure feeding that cat and seeing it jumping up on the side, and it wasn't scared of me. It knew that I was its mate. I was feeding it. It would never come up to me, but it would stay like within, a metre of me. But yeah, let's turn it out. Never buried a cat before. And I tell you what, it's the first animal I've buried. It stinks. It's a female. It's the first animal I've buried and I haven't been crying, so that's a first. Don't know how long it's been dead. I think it's been shot. It's got softness to it. Might not have been long. There we go. Bit of the dry stuff. Right then. There we go. It's the end of the cat.